Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2020 Can-Am RYKER Rally Edition. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description, or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This vehicle has 16,401 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front left tire at 5/30 seconds, the front right at 6/30 seconds, and the rear tire is new. We took this vehicle for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this vehicle so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this vehicle's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. The tank pad is chipped, there's rust and paint chips on the handlebars, and the plastics on the lower fairing are broken and misaligned. This vehicle has one fob and comes equipped with ABS, traction control, and reverse. It's been upgraded with Bella front canards and an underglow kit. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This vehicle comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.